Microsoft Planner allows you to manage multiple projects simultaneously by creating separate plans for each project. Here's how to effectively use Microsoft Planner for multiple projects. Create multiple plans. In Microsoft Planner, each project can have its own plan. To create a new plan, click on New Plan in the Planner app and name it after the project. You can choose to create a private or public plan depending on your team's needs. Organize projects with buckets. For each plan, create buckets to organize tasks. Buckets can represent different phases of the project or categories such as research, design, or marketing. Assign tasks to appropriate buckets and set deadlines for each. Assign tasks and set deadlines. In each plan, create tasks and assign them to team members. You can add details such as task descriptions, due dates, attachments, and priority labels. Track multiple projects. Use the board view for a visual overview of tasks across all projects. The chart view helps track task completion and overall progress. You can also use the Planner Hub to view all your plans in one place, making it easier to manage multiple projects. Collaborate. Team members can comment on tasks and upload files, ensuring smooth communication for each project.